So, what were the reasons why did Congress oppose the Morley-Minto reforms? So, first reason that one of the reasons that why Indian National Congress opposed the Morley-Minto reforms was that they did not give self-rule to the Indians. Although Indians were allowed to speak in the councils, but they were not given real decision-making power. The Congress wanted more authority to be transferred to the Indians, but the British refused it. This disappointed many Congress leaders and became a reason for their opposition. Second, another reason was the acceptance of separate electorates for Muslims. Congress wanted joint electorates. We have discussed earlier what is the difference between joint and separate electorates. So, the Congress wanted joint electorates where everyone could vote together. Therefore, the British accepted separate electorates, allowing Muslims to elect their own representatives. So, the Congress believed that this will give Muslims an unfair advantage and divided Indians along religious lines. Therefore, they opposed the monumental reforms. Third reason, the Congress also believed that the reforms would give greater political representation to the Muslims. Even though Muslims were in a minority, their political position became stronger. Many Hindus were unhappy with this change, and Congress felt that it weakened Hindu interests, so they opposed the reforms. Fourthly, as we have discussed that the partition of Bengal did not provide Hindus, uh, मतलब, like Hindus were not good with the partition, so the Congress hoped that by opposing the Morley-Minto reforms, the British will reconsider the partition of Bengal. The Congress believed that the partition had harmed Hindu interests, so they thought that by protesting and opposing the reforms, this would pressurize the British government to refuse to reverse the partition of Bengal, which was another reason for their opposition to Morley-Minto reforms.